Hi, this is James from Kuaai. Today I'm going to introduce some of our basic features. This is a tutorial for first-time users. And first you click this try for free for login, and then you arrive at your home page. And the first feature you want to know is this change your password. And that is the most common features, right? You can click here and then request the verification code will be sent to your phone or email account which you registered for Kuaai. And once you get this verification code and enter new password, you can get a new password. And another very common feature is that invite team members. And so once you register, you automatically get a workspace. And so you can invite your members to collaborate within this workspace. And this means that every history, every custom apps, and also everything in the Infobase can be shared with the same user within a workspace. By clicking this copy link, and you got a link which you can send by email or messenger, and anyone click this link can get into the same workspace as you. The second feature is the Workbench feature. This serves as favorite apps. So, for example, I am managing Facebook, and I use Facebook apps a lot, and I don't want to go to every time to the navigation to find those apps. I'm gonna add my most common apps here. Here you can click create new app, new Workbench, and go and find your most common used apps. For example, these three, I use them a lot. I'm gonna add them into my Workbench and confirm they will show up here. And you can also change the name to Facebook apps, and also pin them in your home page. As you can see that these Workbench appears in your home page, and so you can use them a lot easier. And the next feature I'm going to introduce you is the chat. And so if you use ChatGPT, and this sounds familiar to you. Our uniqueness is that we have multi-model to choose. Besides GPT, there's also Cloudy 2, and we will soon add Cloudy 3 here. And another thing is that you can have a real-time knowledge embedded to a model. So toggle this on, and our product will fetch the most recent information from the web and give it to your large language model, and so you will get an updated answer. For example, if we ask what is the hottest movie in March, and so I'm recording the video in March, right? And click send. Let's see what happened. Oh, okay. There's Kung Fu Panda 4. I like Kung Fu Panda 4. Right? And then another thing is that there is this one-click improve. If you cannot write a professional prompt, you can use it. Let's say write Instagram post for my product. I want to add more requirement to that. And if I click this improvement button, and I got a very professional, well-written, well-structured prompt, which we can give more control of the output of my prompt. And next feature, I believe, is the most amazing feature, is the Infobase. And by using Infobase, you can give the AI, the knowledge, which is very essential to make the output fact-based. For example, if you want to create a product description for a product, you don't want the output to include features which is not relevant to a product. So you can use this feature to add relevant information, and then that will control the output to be more factual, for example. And if I want to send a pitch letter to some of the investors or to some of our clients, we want the pitch letter to be very relevant for my company. And here I just copy the company introduction here and then add the information here, and I call it Kuaai company intro. Right, I click save. Now it's here. How to use it? You can use it either in chat or in an app by entering an hashtag. For example, here I said write a pitch let email to a client about e-com solutions of Kuaai, and then I just quote that information of my company introduction, and then this pitch letter will be more relevant and unfactual with my company, right? Here, for example, it introduced my company and the facts is right as in Infobase. And next, here's the build an app feature. So I believe most of you have your own needs of generating your unique contents. So maybe none of these apps here gonna meet your requirements. And so as a result, you want to build your own app. Let's say you want to pitch email client outreach email, right? And here you can select which type is this about. You can select others or tools. And here just write your prompt here. Let's say write client outreach email to introduce my company using a tone. Here you can use the double curly bracket to name a parameter. Let's say my company, and also the tone, and you save it. So now you have your own custom apps, and remember now you can use the Infobase here, right? And also the tone, you can describe the tone. Let's say expert and professional, right? And then just click the generate. And now you got a pitch email introducing your company. And you can find your own app here at my assets and my apps. And also you can find history here, and Also, you can find the history here, right? This is the email you just write. Last but least, we have this image generation here, and you can have a list of image generation you can use. Perhaps most common is text to image. You will know that quite a lot. And all of this replace background. So this is also very useful for e-commerce. You upload your product image. So the AI will automatically get a product and remove the background. Okay, finish clipping this product. You can change the size here, right? I put it here, and I click generate. You can always select the parameter here. So as you can see, you got the background replaced. You can see this water pot here in the sand. Okay, that's all the basic feature I introduced today. And have fun and enjoy your journey with Kua.